DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's up? It's your boy DJ Delz. We got the Predator Target exclusive. I was able to score it for under retail. It was on the holiday section, 50% off. Paid like $12 for this major steal. I'm all about them come-ups, man. Definitely all about them come-ups. Hit the thumbs up button if you love Funko Pops and want to see this unboxed, and I got you right now. And let's do this together. Let's check it out. By the way, I'm wearing one of my t-shirts that's available now. We'll link it in the description box below. Long sleeve, short sleeve. Pick one up. Show love. That will be linked in the description box. Taking it out of the box, we got the t-shirt, which I will try out for you all. See how the fit is. And we got the pop, which I'll give you an out-of-the-box look. So trying on the t-shirt, a little snug. I'm gonna zoom up, no worries. But yeah, definitely a little snug. If you go up a size, I usually wear size large, but this definitely is a little snug, man. I'm feeling really Jersey Shore. Hey, it's t-shirt time! Definitely feeling really Jersey Shore right now. Very tight on the actual body, you know. So definitely if you wear a large, go up to an extra large. If you wear small, go to a medium, unless you like the Jersey Shore tight look. But definitely a little snug, just a little snug. And there's a close-up look at the actual t-shirt. The design is awesome. Really nice. But just a little snug. I don't know, some of you guys, females, may say, oh, it fits great on you. Maybe. Maybe I'm overreacting, I don't know. Felt a little snug, though. So looking at him close up out of the box, he's just translucent, you know. Clear Funko Pop of Predator. Pretty cool looking though, I must say. I do like them. It's like my third Funko Pop that's translucent like this. I do have the Golem, and there's one other one I can't think of off top. There is a side profile of him. And there's a look at his back. And there's a look at his other side. And let me know if I should do a video on this. Do you guys care to see this or not? Because I know there's a bunch out there already, but I definitely will if you guys want that. And also, check out yesterday's video where I did a comparison on these two LeBron James Funko Pops. Awesome video. And also, check out the video of me showing you guys all of the Funko Pops I got for Christmas. I got a ton of Funko for Christmas. A whole lot. So check out that video too. I'll put pop-ups or just go to my recent videos on the main page. Definitely. And one more close-up look on the Predator. Love it. And that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave your comments. Let me know what you think of this pop. Let me know what you think of the tee. Leave all that in the comment box below. Let me know your favorite releases of 2018 when it comes down to Funko Pops. I would love to know. Leave all that good stuff in the comments. If you're looking for this and more, I will link a bunch of Funko Pop stuff that I think you may be interested for your convenience in the description box below, along with my t-shirts. Pick one up today. That also will be linked in the description box. Happy New Year, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with a new video, so make sure you subscribe. You turn the notifications on by banging that bell, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We out.